Number 13, in circle V. Measure of angle QRS is 35 degrees and measure of PT is 100 and the arc PT is 110 degrees. Based on this information, what is the measure of RQS? I'll let you think on that for a moment.
Okay, so when you look at the formula chart, what formula did you get here? What's your formula chart say?
1 half parentheses x minus.
I gotta skip something.
Oh, angle 1.
Angle one equals,
1 half parentheses x minus y.
okay, so that's what the formula chart says. We need to label it though according. They have this on our diagram as an X. On the formula chart, is that an X?
No.
Now, what is this actually?
Y.
Okay, I want to change that as a Y so I don't have to mess with the formula. That's a Y. What's this over here? Formula chart.
X
That's X, and the problem tells us from the arc from P to T is
110.
110. And they also give us measure QRS, angle QRS is our 1,
35.
which equals 35 degrees. That looks weird saying 1 equals 35, that doesn't. So I'm just gonna put 35 degrees. So when we plug in, measure angle 1 is 35. Equals 1 half. Do we have an X?
110.
110 minus
X.
Y. Now you can solve this, then you create 1, type that in, comma Y. But if you don't want to insolve, to solve for Y here, you gotta do some opposites. What's the 1 half doing to the parentheses where Y is? Multiplying. So what's the opposite of divide? You can divide by 1 half, or the way to think about a fraction is it's multiplying by 1, dividing by 2. Multiplying by 1, dividing by 2. The opposite would be to multiply by 2, divide by 1. If I'm multiplying by 2, divide by 1. So I'm doing some algebra here. These two would cancel each other out. What's 2 times 35? 2 times 35? 70. Divide that by 1. Still 70. So 70 would equal 110 minus Y. How do I get rid of this 110 here? Subtract it. So when we subtract 110, should have used a different color. Let me try this again. When we subtract 110, what is 70 minus 110?
-40.
The negative 40 equals negative Y. So if negative 40 equals negative Y, what does positive Y equal?
40.
Positive 40, that would be our answer. Let's check the key. Does the key agree? Yes, it does. Good work.